I'm very excited to actually demonstrate to you how the body mass index calculator using both the imperial and metric systems is going to be built, and this tutorial will really give you a perfect demonstration on how. Well, this is how it opens, and I have called it Awesome BMI Calculator, having two systems, the metric and the imperial system. You have to choose one in order to proceed with the calculation. If you choose the metric system, for example, it would show you metric system chosen, and then it gives you the readings in meter and kilograms. And so is the imperial system, giving you the fact that you've chosen the imperial system of measurements. That's, of course, if you miss one entry point, it will highlight an error and so on. Let's enter 1.7 meters and then forget the weight, and it would bring up an error. And now put in number there. Brilliant. See what it shows? Gives you a value and gives you the implication of it. You can clear by reset button. And let's enter a ridiculously low weight and see that comes up with an alert of a low BMI. Reset that as well. Let's go on to imperial system and see how it looks like. So inches and pounds. This is quite challenging for me as I don't think in that terms, but with the help of Google we can do some conversions and perhaps be able to bring up some information that will show. I'm just entering a hypothetical number here and see what comes back. So it does calculate it really. So if you put in an equivalent height in meters converted to inches, you are really going to see the same value that will return. That tells you that the back-end calculation which was applied when this was built was accurate based on a conversion factor. And it does quite good. And I think if you follow that very well, you are going to see a lot more in the tutorials following. Please make sure you don't miss any one of it, and you will definitely produce that app with all its functionalities as demonstrated.